guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding, we decided to go to Walmart for some last minute birthday shopping, but we ended up in the Christmas section. So here are just a few items that I wanted to show you guys that I thought were really cute, starting off with my boxes, of course. Then I found these little PJ pants laying around and I thought they were really cute. Look at how pretty. Minions Christmas edition. These are just gift bags, really pretty. Look at how cute these are. And another Minion. This was just a big stuffed animal. So next I saw this little coal bag. I thought it was so cute. You could give someone a little bag of coal and just add some money in there, or really add coal just for joking around with someone, pranking someone. And then we're going to the ornament section. Walmart always has such cute ornaments. My husband wanted to get a couple of these, but unfortunately, like I said earlier in another video, we aren't getting a big Christmas tree this year. But look at all these tree toppers. I really loved that elf one. It was so cute, and I'll show you guys what they look like on top of a tree in the future, in the near future, in this video. Isn't that beautiful? It's a nice big size, by the way. You'll get to see it in a few minutes. They have such pretty ornaments for really good prices also. These huge ones, $2.48. Look at that little box for $4 few cents. I thought of my sister-in-law when I saw these pink ones. She wants an all-white Christmas tree with pink ornaments, so this is where you gotta go, girl. But yes, look at all these beautiful ornaments, all colors. This one peacock style. Look at how pretty. Just look at all these beautiful colors and designs. If you guys are thinking about a certain theme for your tree, this is the perfect spot to go to. Really good prices too. They also had a section with nothing but Hallmark ornaments, and they had like all Disney princesses and superheroes, which I'm really bummed out I didn't get to show you guys that. But they have really cute ones. Those were $4.99, I believe, though, so they were a little more expensive, but it's really pretty also, so I think it would be worth it. I was gonna pick up a few, but I don't need them this year. Maybe if they're there next year, I'll go ahead and get them for my baby. They had puppy dog pals, and right now he's really into that, so maybe I'll get him that. But yeah, here are more. So many. They have a whole aisle for these. There goes that little red train, and they also had the red truck there, which is pretty popular. Out to your section, babe. Yes, Papa. No Shave November. Your head is too big, babe. Alyssa wants me to get him Elf on the Shelf. This would be perfect for him. How much are they? This is so cute.
$12.50. They're not that expensive.
Wow. My niece has been wanting me to get Sebastian and Elf on the Shelf, so I think I might get him this one. You want it, puppy? That is so cute. You like it, babe? Look at the little chair. Reminds me of you and the couch. Couch potato.
Oh, I gotta take a picture of that one.
Yup, that's the one, babe. How much is it? $6.50. That's cute. I like that one though. For the door. That is gorgeous. Look at that color. That's beautiful. Look at all these holiday items.
Huh?
Too bad we're not decorating our house. I mean, we could decorate, but not a tree. We're not getting a tree this year. because of a little someone who likes to grab stuff and is learning to pick up stuff from the floor and put everything in his mouth. Right, Sebastian? We're not allowed to have stuff like that. Ooh. We have those from last year when you were just born, baby, but we never got to wear them, so we'll wear them this year. Cute little stockings right there. Beautiful stockings and tree skirts.
Did you throw my socks?
He did.
Huh?
He did. So that's how those tree toppers look on top of the tree. Yeah, really beautiful Christmas decorations.
Where it opens the door?
No, it doesn't. You're gonna have to take the whole head off, Edward. I'm gonna break it.
Wait, hold on. Something goes on here. He does something.
No, he doesn't. It lights up. That's what it does.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to make it light up.
I don't think you can, Edward.
Not connected.
It says try me. Not connected either. Sit on it, babe.
¿Subimos a Sebastian?
No. We're not gonna get him off. You're gonna break that thing. That thing. Oh my god. Baby shark doo doo doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark. We're starting off with my favorite boxes. I have purchased these every year. I have a whole collection of them, and by the looks of it, they always have different styles because they didn't have these last year. They'll have some similar, but not these specific ones. So I went ahead and picked up one of each in the biggest sizes because these are perfect for gifts or just decorating your house also. And then what I found here were these stickers, and I think some of these are really good for you to do DIYs, like these right here. Look at how pretty that would look. Like make your own sign or just decorate your house. These are really pretty. I love these. I didn't end up getting them because I'm not sure what I would do with them, but I know it would be a perfect DIY. I'm pretty sure I'll see someone doing something with them. Then they had these glittery pine cones in gold, silver, and red. I didn't pick these up either because they will shed glitter all over. And I found this beautiful frame just laying around, and I did purchase this one. It was the only one I found. And they always usually have these butterflies, but I think these are so cute. Look at those colors. Check out who I found at Dollar Tree. I follow her on YouTube. I can't believe I found her book here. How cool is that? I mean, it's kind of sad that it's here, but I'm really happy she has a book out. And then look at these pop-up books. These are really cute for your babies, for your kids. Interesting, right? My baby was Pinocchio this year for Halloween, guys. My mom ended up making his whole costume, and it ended up looking really good. Everyone was complimenting him when we went trick-or-treating. Then I found these cute little bonbons. Look at how pretty. I didn't end up getting them because my niece has a lot of little toys like that, and they're just everywhere in the house, so I didn't get her any. Sorry, baby. Bless you, Papa. And then they have these little sequins coin purses. These are really cute. They were just a little too big for my taste. It's like the size of my hand, or bigger actually. And so the last item that I found were these sriracha cashews. They looked really good, but I didn't end up getting any of them. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.